Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya at top. What is good, everybody? Hopefully y'all are having an amazing day. As y'all can see, I'm feeling the holiday spirit. I know that Christmas is coming among us, right? And I wanted to make a list, or almost like a compilation, of some of the best gifts that you can purchase a sneakerhead. So in this video, it might be like a little recency bias, but I'm gonna explain why. But I do honestly believe that this is a great list for my people out there who's trying to figure out what to buy a sneakerhead. And it's very hard when you got a sneakerhead like me or many others that pretty much has everything already. So hopefully something in this video really help you guys out. So if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Constant content over here. A lot of dope videos. I try to be creative as possible. Y'all be the judge of that. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when these videos are dropping. So as I was saying, this is a list or a compilation. How do you want to say it? A compilation of some of the best things to buy sneakerheads. Hopefully this is very useful for a lot of y'all and you purchase something off this list. If you actually want to purchase something off this list for your friend, brother, boyfriend, girlfriend, whoever is the sneakerhead in this scenario, then I feel like I did my job. So without further ado, let's get into it. So if you are wondering what to buy a sneakerhead for Christmas, I'm gonna make this as easy as possible. Now this was the obvious choice. I'm not gonna hold you. This was a very easy decision to make. Because if you're buying something for a sneakerhead, what more can you buy than something that protects and cleans what he cherishes most? So I got some products over here from Rejuvenator. It's linked down below in the description if you guys want to head over there. But here's a few products I want to tell y'all about. This one right here is the actual cleaning solution. This is what you would like pour into a bowl, get you, a toothbrush or even some brushes from the website and go to work and make sure your shoes are clean. If y'all want to see how good this stuff works, I've done several videos with this in the past. You can easily check out some of my videos. It is the best cleaning solution in the game, hands down. This is the cleaning solution. Next up, we got the laundry pods. So let's just say your sneakerhead got a pair of shoes dirty to the point where they're unidentifiable. Like you don't even know what they are anymore. You would literally put them in a washer and dryer using this system, drop these off. They like the laundry pods, open it up, drop them in there, and they're back clean. And my favorite product, if you know a sneakerhead who doesn't want to go anywhere because he's too afraid to get his shoes dirty, then you need to buy him the water stain and repellent spray. You literally shake this up, you spray it on your sneakers, you let it sit for about 6 hours. So I would probably either spray them on the day before you going somewhere or a few hours before you leave out, and your shoe is waterproof, stain proof, jelly, dirt, rain, mud, like you name it, it'll literally roll right off. So I mean, you should definitely look into buying some of this Rejuvenator. Like I said, the link is down below. Make sure y'all check that out. This is like the holy grail for sneakerheads, I promise you. So now this is where it get a little tricky, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you. This is where it gets a little tricky. Like I said, this list will be kind of recency biased because a lot of these sneakers have just dropped. But it's a reason to my madness, okay? I'm not sure how much money y'all got. And it's not really my job to try to figure out how much money y'all got in y'all pockets. I'm not sure how much money my viewers have. And I don't think it's really my job to kind of count y'all pockets. So what I did was I compiled a list of sneakers that recently came out. The resale price isn't that much. Now the resale price isn't that much because they recently came out. But if you can give a sneakerhead a shoe that came out close to the holiday, I mean, bro, I ain't gonna hold you. Ain't nothing wrong about like going back, getting a sneaker that you know they wanted. But if you could pick up a release that hasn't came out yet, or is about to come up, or just came out that they missed, oh now, that's a W, bro. That's a W. So first off the list, man, we're gonna go with the Yeezy Bread B2s. They recently came out. Now, I do not own this pair, so it's not here on the table. I still don't have a pair, but if you guys want to look this up on StockX, because you still got time. I mean, today is only the 11th, depending on when you look at this video, you still have time to buy from StockX, even though I know it takes a while for like the whole legit check process, or wherever you want to buy it from. The Bread V2 is a great sneaker. Not only is it like a December shoe, it's a Christmas shoe, but it has some resale value. I think they go for like $350. They dropped a little bit. It was going for like $400. That's a little bit on the higher side, but like I was saying, it would really be a good shoe. And I also would ask you guys to do a little research if you plan on buying some shoes for a sneakerhead. You don't want to buy them a pair that they already have. So, I mean, even if you got to creep in the room and surprise them, if you want to surprise them, creep in the room, see what they got in their closet. Know if they already got these shoes I'm about to name, because you don't want to buy them the same shoe. That's important. Yeezy Bread B2 is definitely a great pickup for anybody. And like I said, even if you buy them another pair, it ain't going to hurt. Just, if I was you, for the whole point of surprise and Christmas, get them a pair that they don't already have. Put that on the list if the person already don't have that shoe. Next up is a very obvious pick, and I know a lot of y'all probably already knew I was gonna bring these out, but it's because you have common sense. This is the Air Jordan 11 25th anniversary, aka the Air Jordan 11 Jubilee. And this shoe does not release until this weekend. So depending on when you're watching this, or even if you watch this after the release, this is the shoe of December. People can argue that it's the Bread V2. I'm not gonna make the argument. I love both shoes, to be honest, but everybody knows when the Jordan 11s come out in December, they almost, or pretty much, they take over the month. If you can pick up a pair of these for Christmas for whoever you buying a shoe for, I guarantee 1000% they will be jumping through the roof, happy. I mean, it's a Jordan 11. The patent leather is shiny. It's one of Jordan's biggest, most iconic silhouettes. Even people who not into sneakers know what this shoe is. And if they don't know what it is, they know, man, like they know it's not an average shoe. Like they know, like this is the one. So I definitely think this is a very safe pick in buying. And even if you watch this video after this shoe come out, I don't believe that the resale value will be that high to the point where they will be unaffordable. For the most part, people know during Christmas you're gonna have to spend a little bread. So hey, I would say go for it, man. We have the Air Jordan 11 Jubilee. This is a great Christmas pickup, without a doubt. If you pick these up for somebody for Christmas, it's a great pick. It's a safe pick. It's a recent drop, so I know they're gonna be happy. I'm telling y'all, go with these, man. It's safe. Next up, we got another Air Jordan. This whole list is not Jordans, but Jordan, I mean, come on now. Who doesn't want a pair of Jordans for Christmas, bro? Like, calm down. Okay, so we got another Air Jordan, and this one is an Air Jordan 4. So what Air Jordan 4 I might be talking about? That is the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red. Now, this shoe does not resell for too much either. It did already release, so you probably will have to go to, like, some of these are still in stores. I meant to tell you that. When I went to the mall, I seen some restocks. But anyway, check the local mall. 9 times out of 10, the local mall I might not have them, but I know for a fact your local consignment store has them. I know for a fact you can get them off of GOAT. You can get them off of StockX. That's why I kind of wanted to do this video a little early before it gets too late, before y'all can pick up these shoes. But if they don't already have a pair of Fire Red 4s, it is not a better Christmas gift than a pair of Air Jordans. And on top of that, this is one of the most iconic Air Jordan 4 colorways of all time. This is not just your regular Air Jordan 4, okay? For my people who don't know sneakers, you got the Nike Air on the back, you got your classic Chicago colorway. I mean, come on, man, this is the one. Definitely look into these if you want to surprise somebody for Christmas. You want to surprise your sneakerhead. You want to pick them up a shoe for Christmas. This is safe. So far we got the Air Jordan 11 Jubilee. We got the Air Jordan 4 Fire Red. And also, don't be afraid to look at these shoes and put your own personal flair on it. Like, what does your, whoever you buying a gift for, what colors do they like? You know what I'm saying? What shoes do they like? You're around them more than me, so you can pretty much look at the style of this shoe and be like, nah, they ain't gonna like that, or they will like that. And, you know, pick your best option. But the Air Jordan Fire Red 4 is another safe pick. Nobody will be mad. I guarantee you. No sneakerhead will be mad on this planet if you show up with a pair of Fire Red 4s and they don't have them. I guarantee you. So next up, I wanted to do something a little different. I know a lot of my viewers have kids, and the thing with kids is a lot of kids are into sports. And me personally, I love basketball. I played basketball collegiately. I played basketball in high school. And one thing I know for a fact is kids are always looking for another pair of shoes to hoop in. And a pair that I want to show y'all before y'all even start killing me in the comments, just listen very closely to what I'm about to tell y'all. Not only is this shoe affordable, but I hooped in it myself recently. Yes, it was sent to me, but this is not a paid sponsored video. These are the Puma Clyde Pro 2s. And let me tell you right now, these are fire, bro. Now, a lot of people clown Puma because they don't think that Puma is cool. That's cap. I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. That is cap. Puma not paying me. But if you look at the wave that Puma is on right now, they are literally signing all of the young talent. LaMelo Ball, signed him. RJ Barrett, signed him. Danny Green, signed him. DeAndre Ayton, signed him. The list goes on. They're signing all of the young aspiring. Terry Rozier, signed him. I'm telling y'all, this is the way. Now, the reason why I picked this shoe in particular is because this is a part of the Puma Hoops. Now, this shoe has been seen by LaMelo Ball. He hoops in these. Recently, when he was working out with Mikey Williams, he was hooping in a pair of these. I know for a fact Danny Green hoops in these. Also, this is Terry Rozier's favorite shoe by Puma. So if your kids, or if you know somebody, even if your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whoever is into basketball and you know they need a new pair of basketball sneakers, so I wanted to kind of diversify this list, just not for like back to school shoes or just to look fly, but a lot of people are in sports, and if they want a new pair of shoes, even though the Puma brand isn't as popular, this shoe is very comfortable. The grip is amazing. Like, I can do a whole performance review on this Puma Hoops shoe. I'm telling y'all, this is the one. So this Christmas, if you're looking for a basketball sneaker, not only is this affordable, but it's cool and it's also stylish, I would say go the Puma route and pick up a pair of these. It's safe. and it's fire, I'm telling you. Now, we cannot end the video off without talking about a pair of Adidas, and y'all know Adidas have been very, very nice to me. So without further ado, let's bring them Adidas in. Here we have almost like a variety pack of different human race NMDs, and they actually just recently sent me over the maroon color. The problem is I'm not sure when the maroon colorway is coming out, and it's another reason why I didn't grab the maroon color too, so just bear with me. These 3 colorways are a part of the new Pharrell human race NMDs, and they've been coming out in retail stores. And when I went to the mall to do some Christmas shopping of my own, I seen all 3 of these colorways sitting in stores. So this is not only a shoe that's very hyped, even though the hype has dropped tremendously, I'll give you that, but I have to be honest, and honesty is, this is still a Pharrell Williams human race. It still got some hype to it. It's still an Adidas NMD, and it's still a great overall sneaker. So if y'all are looking for something to pick up a sneakerhead and they don't have any one of these colorways, I would definitely say head to the mall and pick these up. I've seen them in Jimmy Jazz, and I also seen a pair, I think, in DTLR. So go to your local mall, see if they got any 3 of these colorways. They do have a maroon color that's coming soon. I'm not sure. A lot of people are liking that maroon colorway, so maybe it will sell out. That's the reason why I didn't put it down here, but it is like an auburn color too. These 3 are fire. This one reads human race in Hindu, I believe. These 2 say human race in Chinese. And like I said, it's hype, it's stylish, it's cool. These will be great pickups for a sneakerhead. I don't know a sneakerhead on this earth who wouldn't want a free pair of Adidas human race. I would tell you guys to go half size up on these though, because they run kind of tight. So yeah, good luck to everybody. Here we have it, the Adidas human race NMD. And last but not least, get your fellow sneakerhead a pair of these. In my opinion, one of the most underrated, one of the most slept on sneakers of recent, and that is the Air Jordan 9 University Blue. I believe these are still in stores now as we speak. And the reason why I wanted to put this in the video is because I know 9s aren't one of the most popular silhouettes. I told y'all openly. I know I don't lie to y'all, bro. I don't cap. The 9s aren't one of my favorites either. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, but you also have to understand and you have to respect when a nice sneaker comes out. This is the one. Now, it does look like the Space Jam, just a different colorway. Yeah, okay, cool, whatever. These are still in stores. Certain stores still have these. If you hit up a few malls, maybe a few Dick's Sporting Goods and mom and pops, I guarantee you they probably will still have a few of these floating around. I'm not sure for how long, because once again, people are Christmas shopping. Even if the 9 is not your style, how many people, comment down below right now, would you pass down a pair of these for free? Would you not wear these if they were free? Would you not throw these on if they were free? It's a lot of shoes out there that's nice. I just don't know if I want to spend my money on it, but they're really nice. I'll wear them and I'll sport them, but I don't know if I want to spend that bread. If these were free, if they were a gift, you'll probably wear them every day. So that's why I'm telling y'all, even though they didn't fly off shelves because people didn't want to pay for them, okay, cool. If you was to give them as a gift, they will be accepted, they will be loved, and they will be worn because it's still an Air Jordan. It's an Air Jordan 9. It has some history to it with the UNC or the University Blue on it. And overall, it's a great colorway to add to any sneakerhead's collection and to be able to wear. So guys, that is my list in closing of just some things that you can pick up as gifts for sneakerheads. Comment down below and tell me your thoughts, and also let me know if you plan on buying anything on that list. It took me a while to come up with a list that was concrete, that was conclusive. I think I pretty much touched a lot of bases. There's a lot of shoes, obviously, I could talk about, but I also want to keep in mind a lot of people ain't got that much bread to spend A and B, so I try to keep it to a minimum. Regardless, man, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, but more importantly, I hope you enjoy the holidays. Let me know, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Keep me updated on what you've been picking up, or if you did anything from this list, I appreciate it. Until next time, man, it is your boy, Sniper Jones, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but really putting in that work, though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.